And I'd like to say this again. Why is it political? And this is just my personal view. There is a policy of government all across administration na pag may isang Pilipino sa labas ng bansa na inaresto, dinitine, even tried in court, and even convicted, the policy of government across administration from Cory Aquino all the way up to BBM is to exert all available resources of government to bring that Filipino home. You could recall Sara Balabagan and I don't know, I think that was during the time of Ramos. And to the credit of BBM, si Sara Jane Veloso, Mary Jane Veloso, who was already serving sentence in an Indonesian prison. Yun ang nakapagtataka. Bakit hindi magawa-gawa dito yan? Sa isang matanda at masakitin, frail as he is now. Huwag na nating sabihin former president. Itrato na lang natin siya bilang isang Pilipino. Bakit hindi magawa-gawa ng Administrasyong Marcos ito? And that is proof na may political character itong prosesong ito.